Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started.
In this video we break down the top 5 best glucose meter you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best glucose meter on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which glucose meter are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Keto Mojo Glucose Testing Kit. This glucose monitor has just about everything you could want: a light where you insert the test strip, great for middle of the night finger pricks, a compact design, Bluetooth capability for easy data storage, a light up screen for easier viewing, and arrows that indicate if you are within your target range. Including Bluetooth integration. Get results on your keto diet and manage your diabetes by testing for ketosis and blood sugar levels. This dual test kit for glucose and ketones gives you greater insight into your diet and what foods may adversely affect your results. With a free smartphone app where you can instantly sync your readings to your phone and track your ketones and glucose on other popular health apps. The app automatically calculates your glucose ketone index (GKI), an important measure of metabolic health. Leading keto experts, healthcare professionals and researchers trust and recommend Keto Mojo for accurate testing of ketosis and glucose monitoring. Enhanced features include auto-coding, the largest memory with up to 1,000 readings, individually foil-wrapped strips for enhanced sterility and longevity, and control solutions for glucose and ketones. For details, let's watch more. Our second best glucose meter is Caresense N Blood Glucose Monitor Kit. Caresense N Diabetes Testing Kit includes 1 blood glucose meter, 100 blood sugar test strips, 1 lancing device, 100 lancets, and a traveling case to provide you with the most affordable and convenient way for blood sugar testing. This blood sugar test kit saves up to 250 tests and has a battery life of 1,000 tests. Caresense N Plus Bluetooth blood sugar monitor requires only a small blood sample size of 1/2 L, making finger pricking easy and painless. Caresense N Diabetes Test Strip is auto-coded and automatically recognizes the batch code encrypted on Caresense N Blood Glucose Test Strip. Caresense N Blood Glucose Meter provides fast results in just 5 seconds, making blood sugar testing fast and convenient. This glucometer kit comes with a handy traveling case that can hold all your diabetes testing kit so that you can measure your blood sugar at the comfort of your home or anywhere else. Caresense N Blood Glucose Monitor Kit is very simple and easy to use, making blood sugar testing easy for all. This lightweight blood sugar monitor has a simple design to make diabetes testing easy to understand and hassle-free. For details, let's watch more. Number 3 in our list is OVON Blood Glucose Monitor Kit. OVON blood glucose meter provides the best care for the elderly, pregnant women, diabetics, obesity group and other people. For a quality BGM, the data accuracy is the most critical. OVON glucose monitor has passed the laboratory test and it provides more accurate test results. The kit with CR2032 3V lithium battery. The battery should last about 1000 tests. OVON monitor can recognize batch codes encrypted on each test strip, so there is no need for you to manually insert any code with each new batch. 5 depths, less pain and more friendly. The Lancet pen has automatic ejection function to prevent accidents. Just 6 seconds to get the test result after collecting the blood sample. OVON blood glucose meter exceeds international standards. The meter and strips are equipped with industry-leading biosensor and technologies. This test strips are produced with unique automatic carbon printing technique to ensure that the quality of each batch of strips could be relevantly much more stable, precise and accurate. For details, let's watch more. Fourth recommendation in our side is OVON blood glucose test strips. The manufacturing of OVON blood sugar test strips uses automatic carbon printing technique, which ensures that the quality of each batch of strips could be relevantly much more stable and accurate. This uses cutting-edge test strips enzymes for blood glucose measurements. Our test strips are produced with unique automatic carbon printing technique to ensure that the quality of each batch of strips could be relevantly much more stable, precise and accurate. Topside siphon application window ensures that the blood sample can go directly to the testing area, making test results more accurate and stable. Last in our top 5 best glucose meter list is Dario blood glucose monitor kit. For those who are hyper-focused on analyzing trends in their blood sugar reading data, our experts recommend this iPhone-compatible device from Dario. The smart, pocket-sized meter connects directly to the phone's charging port, eliminating the need for cables or batteries. All results are automatically recorded in the accompanying app on your phone, which also analyzes them and makes it easier to track diabetes-specific metrics like carbohydrate consumption, physical activity, and medication adherence. You can also choose to share this information with your caregivers or family members. Available on your phone, reporting of past blood tests so you can track progress. Email your doctor trend reports, emergency text with GPS, less pain with only a tiny drop of blood. Simply plug the tiny meter to your phone and download the Dario app. For details, let's watch more.